Witness your journey. I can't believe that I accidentally sneezed on Shiori. Yeah. Wait! I have a good reason, okay? Huh? Because whenever I sneeze around people other than FUWAMOCO, I always... There's good sneeze etiquette. You know what that is, right, ruffians? Elbow! Elbow, yeah. Yes, your elbow! Yeah. When I sneezed into my elbow, issue is I was sitting on the bed. Shiori was sitting on the futon below the bed. So I didn't quite all go into the elbow. Yeah. That's how it got on Shiori's face, huh? Yeah. 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 So was it my fault? Okay. It was Shiori's fault then. It was Shiori's fault. She got sneezed on. Yeah. Yeah. Mococo is ruthless. I think the better answer is gravity is ruthless. Yeah. Not me. It was gravity's fault, okay? Yeah. Kushami Tasukaru! I guess that's not really how Shiori felt though. Kushami Tasukaranai! Kao aratte kuru! Oh, Shiori's skin looks pretty hydrated. Moco-chan's gross. You're gross, Moco-chan. Oh, I get my butt.